Welcome to Pho Bo Ga Mekong, a Vietnamese restaurant located in the heart of Melbourne, Victoria. This bustling eatery offers a wide range of traditional Vietnamese dishes and boasts a variety of utilities including takeout, delivery, and outdoor seating. With a casual yet classy ambience, Pho Bo Ga Mekong is perfect for groups, families, and solo diners alike. Pho Bo Ga Mekong is a Vietnamese restaurant on Swanson Street in Melbourne, Australia, known for its authentic and flavorful pho dishes. With a casual yet classy ambience, this restaurant offers a variety of options for takeout, reservations, and delivery, making it a convenient choice for diners. Customers rave about the quality and selection of pho, with options like char-grilled chicken, beef brisket, and grilled pork pho. The restaurant's use of top-grade Australian beef and unique thin foam noodles sets it apart from traditional pho establishments, making it a must-visit for pho enthusiasts in the area. Customer reviews rave about the flavorful and authentic dishes served at Pho Bo Ga Mekong. From the famous pho noodles to grilled pork and chicken dishes, every item on the menu is sure to satisfy your cravings for Vietnamese cuisine. The restaurant's special pho with tendon, tripe, brisket, and beef balls has garnered particular praise from diners. Patrons particularly enjoy the sliced beef pho, beef special pho, and the prawn and chicken spring roll, with the latter often ordered together. The menu also features a selection of spring rolls, including vegetable options, and a variety of drinks such as Vietnamese white coffee and coconut juice. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty bowl of pho or crispy spring rolls, Pho Bo Ga Mekong is something for everyone. The restaurant's attentive service and reasonable prices make it a must-visit spot for locals and tourists alike. So, if you find yourself in the Swanson Street area, be sure to stop by Pho Bo Ga Mekong for a taste of authentic Vietnamese flavors. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.